Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to create and customize QR code in Canva. So if you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss any updates from us. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Then over here on the bottom left you'll find apps. Click on this apps and scroll down a bit and you'll find the option of QR code. Click on this. And over here you will find a dialog box saying enter URL. Now I'll enter URL of my YouTube channel. Then I will generate the code. Over here you can see our QR code of our channel is created. Then now we can also customize this by clicking on this customize. Here you can find background color, foreground color and margin. Now I will change background color to suppose black. Okay, I am choosing this background color to black and I will change this foreground color to white and upgrade this code. Now you can see here our QR code is customized. In this way we can create and customize QR code in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.